Hi everybody, it's Editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. And welcome to a coffee review. And that's right, you heard it. So recently I've joined the website Buy Me a Coffee. Essentially, if you don't know, it's a website you can go to, and if you want to and you enjoy the content that I produce on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc., you can donate a couple of quid, and then essentially that will go to the editor or creative person's fund. In this case, I'm not using this as a exercise to make mass amounts of profit. I'm actually going to be buying drinks, and I have. So thank you, Kurt, for your donation. It's very well and received and appreciative. Thank you so much. And I've gone for the Emmy Cafe Latte Skinny. I don't normally go for these kind of coffee drinks. I do drink a lot of coffee, typically black coffee during the day, but this is, well, a latte full of sugar, kind of sweeteners, and full of milk as well. Got to be honest with you, I had this during the afternoon, so it was good little pickup there for the afternoon whilst I was editing one of the videos. And this particular product, it was about £2.80 from memory. I know it's in the video, you've probably seen it already. It was quite handy because it came with its own little lid and whatnot, which you could reapply once you'd open the drink, and you could have it like a normal Costa Starbucks sort of cup. It was pretty convenient, to be fair. I didn't want to reuse it at the end because that's just a bit gross, but yeah, no, that was quite a nice little feature. Not really one for iced coffee either, and I didn't really have high expectations of this drink, but to be honest with you, if you like your iced coffee and there's not a Starbucks or Costa around and this is your bag, definitely consider it. I'd probably score the drink probably a solid 3.5 out of 5. To be honest with you, I probably need to drink more iced coffees to get a better understanding of what the actual baseline is for this sort of stuff. Again, like I said, I drink a lot of black coffee, but I would in a pinch buy this again, maybe at an airport or something, if I needed a quick caffeine drink and didn't want to wait in line for a hot drink. So yeah, it gets the thumbs up from me. Thank you so much, Kurt, for that. If you'd like to buy me a coffee or another drink, or maybe make a demand for me to try something, a piece of food, for example, I will make you a video as well. Why not? I am your performing monkey in this case. I'm going to regret that, aren't I? Anyway, that's enough for now. Thank you again, Kurt, for the donation. The coffee was lovely, and I'll speak to you all and see you all soon, I suppose. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.